not about being the best. Leadership is about making everyone else better. There won't be enough vaccines to prevent rise in cases for 3 to 6 months, said WHO. We are not going to have sufficient vaccinations in place to prevent a surge in COVID-19 cases for 3 to 6 months, said WHO's director Mike Ryan said. He called on people to maintain social distancing and follow other measures to prevent spread of COVID-19. His statement comes as the UK became the first country to approve Pfizer's vaccine for widespread use. Marrying a person of choice is fundamental right, said Karnataka High Court. Karnataka High Court said it's the fundamental right of any adult in India to marry the person of his choice, irrespective of caste and religion, and that right cannot be encroached upon by anybody. Wajid Khan had filed the petition seeking the release of Ramya from confinement. He alleged that she was being confined against her will by her parents. World has officially gone nuts, said Vahwan on analysts sending signals to Morgan. Ex-England captain Michael Vahwan took to Twitter to react to England analyst Nathan Lehman sending coded information to England captain Ian Morgan from the team balcony during the third South Africa-England T20 series. Signals sent from an analyst on a balcony to the captain on the pitch. The world has officially gone nuts, the Vahwan tweeted. Israeli lawmakers passed preliminary bill to dissolve parliament. The Israeli parliament has passed a preliminary bill to dissolve itself, with Israel likely to head for its fourth election in less than 2 years. The move comes amid a crisis in the ruling coalition led by PM Benjamin Netanyahu and Defense Minister Benny Gantz. The legislation will need to pass 3 future parliamentary votes to become law, the Reuters reported. No such thing as rocket scientist, only rocket engineers, said Elon Musk. Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk in a series of 2 tweets on Wednesday argued that there is no such thing as a rocket scientist and only rocket engineers are responsible for putting human on the moon. He backed his argument saying science is only about discovering what already exists, while engineering is about creating things that never existed. Singapore becomes first country to approve sale of lab-grown meat. Singapore has become the first country to allow the commercial sale of lab-grown meat as the country approved US startup Eat Just clean chicken meat to be sold as nuggets. Clean meat or cultured meat is produced in bioreactors from animal muscle cells without any slaughter. Eat Just said they will go for a small-scale commercial launch in Singapore. India orders Wikipedia to delete map that shows Aksai Chin as a part of China. The government has ordered Wikipedia to take down a map that shows Aksai Chin as a part of China. The Wikipedia page which shows the incorrect map is on Bhutan and India relations. The government invoked Section 69A of the Information Technology Act that empowers it to order intermediaries to block public access of any information. World's most followed TikTok star, the 16-year-old Charlie makes first startup investment. America's 16-year-old dancer Charlize D'Amelio, the world's most followed TikTok star who crossed 100 million followers on the app, has made her first startup investment. She joined a $15 million Series B funding round of Step, a US-based banking service that focuses on the teenagers. The funding was led by Koshu with participation from celebrities like Justin Timberlake and the Chainsmokers. Jeff Bezos led Blue Origin onboards former NASA, said Pentagon officials. Jeff Bezos founded space agency Blue Origin has onboarded former Pentagon and NASA officials for its new advisory board. Former Deputy Undersecretary of Defense for Intelligence and Security Carrie Bingen and former Director of NASA's Research Centers Dr. Charles Alechi and Todd May are part of the 7-member board. Bingen held the second highest ranking civilian intelligence job at the Pentagon. MIT researchers create system that designs custom robots based on terrains. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology researchers have created the system called Robogrammas that designs robots based on materials available and the terrain that needs to be navigated. Despite the variety of tasks robots are used for, they tend to be similar in design, the paper's lead author Alan Zo said. Adding Robogrammas could be used to come up with inventive designs. Before the alarm clocks were affordable, they were professional knocker-uppers to wake people up for work. Pointing a laser at an airplane in the US can get you up to 20 years in prison. Dimple making machines are made in 1936. A machine when worn over the cheeks climbed to create dimples. It was a weird looking device and had wires that could dent the face. On an average, a 68 kg person burns 114 calories per hour while standing and doing nothing. The first ever product that Sony came up with was an electric rice cooker.